Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make a basic chicken curry. Okay, so what's confusing about chicken curry is a lot of people they've told me in my videos saying that the curries are thinner and thicker and all that stuff. So we'll take all the confusion out from this stuff. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a basic chicken curry, and from this chicken curry we're gonna show you how to finish off other dishes. Okay, so now I've taken 5 legs of chicken, into this 1 teaspoon of garam masala, coriander powder and chili powder, and to this I'm gonna add my salt. And so I'm gonna marinate this chicken. Now this is my basic marinade. This is what we used to do in the restaurant. In the sense, we always have this ready, and then it is put in a curry sauce and boiled, or to give the flavor out of the chicken with this stuff. So let me show you. So this is what you're gonna do: marinate this chicken well, let it sit for. Now the reason for this marinade is when you just boil the chicken, the sauce stays separate, and the chicken tastes like it is bland. It's not soaked in anything, and that's what I find when I go to all these restaurants. This is what it is. This is how you retain the flavor to the chicken, by really spicing up the chicken right to the bone. Okay, so you notice I've taken bone chicken, and that's what we used to do in the restaurants too. Take bone chicken, and I'll show you what's to be done with this now with this bone chicken. So here we go. Finish marinating all this stuff like this and let it sit down for half an hour, and then I'll show you what to do. Okay guys, welcome back to the Topper Chef channel. Now what I'm going to show you is the basic chicken gravy which we make. Okay, so what happens with this is we brown this chicken really well, and the same pot I'm going to make a big pot of chicken base gravy. That's what we use to finishing any other sauces or anything like that. So now this is the marinated chicken which has been sitting down for half an hour. So all you do is just nicely brown it, and all the chicken will get all the flavoring into it. Okay, so let's get it all in there. 3 minutes on each side, and then we're going to put it in the oven for about 10 minutes or so. And then I'm going to show you what we're going to do when we are making this basic chicken curry gravy. Okay guys, so now it's 2 minutes on each side. Just put it another. There you go. What happens with this is it seals the juices very well, and it doesn't have that boiled effect to it. Okay, so that's what you got to do, and you will see how fantastic the chicken is going to turn out. Okay, so here's your chicken. Another 2 minutes on both sides, and then it's going to go in the oven. Okay, so now 2 minutes on each side, you can see. What I'm going to do is now my iron skillet is ready. I'm going to put that in the oven. Now you can see, here it is, my iron skillet is nice and ready. This bone should not come off. It has to be intact. Otherwise, it will get overcooked. So this is the, now there we go. Put this here. I'm going to put that in my oven, which is ready to 350 degrees. Okay, so now my oven is really ready, so I'm gonna put it at the bottom pan right there for 10 minutes, okay? Okay, so now this is gonna be a basic chicken curry, okay? Basic chicken curry, what happens is, this is how we make it in the restaurants, and this is all the juices from the chicken, which is left into this pan. Just saute this really well. This is just like our onion sauce or the kadai sauce, which I'm gonna make, but to this I'm gonna add my chicken pieces, which will give it the flavor to this sauce, and I'll show you how they make after we finish cooking the chicken into this, how they end up making a basic chicken curry when the order comes in. Okay, so to this I'm gonna add just basic curry powder, okay? You don't want to over flavor this. The reason is we're gonna finish this off well when we are making this order. So this is how they make it and keep it ready. To this now I'm gonna add my ginger paste. This is my garlic paste. About a big tablespoon of garlic paste, and then a big tablespoon of ginger paste. There you are. Just keep on stirring this till the oil comes out. And we're going to add some water and make it a little watery. To this I'm going to add my chicken now to get the flavor of the chicken. Okay, so you're not going to add any salt. This is the basic gravy. Now I'm going to add a little water to it. Okay, and let it cook. Now in a couple of minutes I'm going to just add my chicken to it, okay? Now we can add some more water. May add some more water to this whole thing. Okay, so now you can see a sauce which is here, the soupy consistency of my sauce. It has to come to a simmer, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just place this chicken into this and cook it for only 5 minutes. This is the chicken we put in the oven. There you go. Oh man, look at the flavor coming through this thing. And this is how, now I'll show you what happens after this. So, let this simmer only for 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook this, because I'll show you where we're going to finish with this now. Okay guys, so this has been simmering for about 2 minutes, and that's what you require. You don't want to overcook this chicken, because now when an order comes, this is what we take the piece of chicken out, chop it, or use this gravy for making a chicken curry. Okay, so just put this off and let it sit when our order comes in. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!